Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Garden. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you as well. In this video, we're going to be putting together a potting bench sent to me by Vego. This video is sponsored by Vego. I wanted an outdoor potting bench so that I could start on seeds or up pot. Now that we're into the warmer months, it's not really necessary as much for me to start my seeds and seedlings inside the house when I can do it out here. I always wanted an outdoor potting bench, and Vego reached out to me with their outdoor potting bench. So this is what we have, and out of the box we have a pair of gloves. We have the manual to put everything together. This is the bottom part that we're working on now, so let's get started. And there you have it. I finished put together potting table, and we'll come closer to take a look at it. But overall, I'm happy with it, and it will be staying right where it is outside. It's not it's sturdy enough. It's built correctly. It's not going to move during a storm or anything like that. And I will be definitely making use of it. And we're up close. One of the things I like is that it has a soil container with a cover. So if I'm out here up potting plants or starting seedlings, I have my own supply of soil that I can use here. I also have a storage area here in addition to all this space here. So I can put containers, pots, starting trays, anything that I want to use, I can put on these shelves. And here, I also have hooks where I can hang my tools that I'm using. So I definitely want to thank Vego for sending me this out. It is definitely welcomed and appreciated, and I definitely will be making use of it. You can also combine two of these together. They sent extra material for that, but since I only have one and I only need one, I'm not going to be doing that. Now, if you're interested in purchasing one of these from Vego, I'll put my affiliate link and discount codes in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. It was fun putting it together. It took a little longer than what I expected, but overall, I'm happy with it. And like I said, it's not going to move and it's sturdy. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.